Cheers. Oh yeah. So I don't know if this is true or not, but I think I am either the first or one of the few that is making Cuban coffee at a campsite. These are one of the brands that is used in Miami to make Cuban coffee, and I'm actually pretty excited to make this out here. Cuban coffee reminds me of home. The flavor, the way it's made, it's just nothing else beats it. And if you've been to Miami, then you know what I'm talking about. This is part of the secret right here. Sugar. I'm using sugar cane, organic sugar, but you can use regular white sugar. And if you mix this right, the sugar will create that layer, that foam layer that's right on top of the espresso. This is what you're looking for right here.